Question 21 was as follows. Mrs. Kongola deposited 1,200 kwacha in a bank, and after 6 months she got an interest of 180 kwacha. Find the rate of interest. So we are asked to find the interest rate. Okay, so we're going to use the same formula for finding interest rate. Okay, all right, over 100. So now we can write, now we are told that the interest was 180, so we're going to write 180, which is equal to, then what is the principal? The money deposited was 1,200 kwacha, then multiplied by the rate is not given, so we're going to say multiply by R. Then the time it stayed in the bank is 6 months, so we can write 1/2. Okay, so that is half month over 100. Now here we can simplify the numbers so that we can go with just smaller numbers. So we're going to divide 1,200 by 100. So 100 by 100, it's 1. Then 1,200 by 100 divided by 100, it will be 12. Okay, so now we can write what we are remaining with. We are remaining with 180 kwacha is equal to 12 times R times 1/2, that is 6 months. 1/2, that is 6 months, half of a year. Okay, then once we've done that, then we can multiply 12 by R, which will give us, so we're going to write 180 is equal to 12 by R will give us 12 R kwacha, then multiply by 1.5. Okay, then we can write 180, then we multiply 12 R by half will give us 6 R. Now there it should be 6 kwacha R. Then we will say we divide both sides by 6. Okay, so it should be 6 kwacha. So I've just ignored the kwacha sign. And then we're going to say 6 there and 6 there. They cancel each other out, leaving us with R, which is equal to, then 180 divided by 6 will give us 30. So 30% was the interest rate. 30% was the interest rate. Okay, go to the next question, which is 22, which is the table below shows the mark obtained by 20 learners in mathematics test. Okay, so you can see the marks there and the frequency. So we are given a frequency table. So the question is calculate the mean mark. Okay, so here in the frequency table you are able to see that 3 learners got 5 marks, 4 learners got 6 marks, 7 learners got 6 learners got 7 marks, and 4 learners got 8 marks, and 3 learners got 9 marks. So we're asked to find the mean mark. So what we are supposed to do here is we are supposed to multiply the mark by the number of learners who got that. Okay, then we add all the products. So we are supposed to say 3 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 6 plus 6 multiplied by 7 plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, now we can find the product of that. 3 by 5 will give us 15, 3 by 4 will give us 24, then 6 by 7 will give us 42, then that is 42, which I have written already. Then 4 by 8 will give us 4 by 8 will give us 32, then 9 by 3 by 9 will give us 27. Okay, then I'm going to add that 15 plus 24, 39, 39 plus 42, 39 plus 42, 81, 81 plus 32, 113, 113 plus 27, 140. So the total marks were 142. So to find the mean, that is, now we need to find the average. So after adding everything, now we need to find the average. So we divide 142 by the number of pupils, which is here, the number of learners. So there were 20. Okay, never should you divide by the number of terms you have added, like there, no, you use 5, no, you use 20, the number of learners. So there were 20 and there are 20 results, so we're going to divide 142 divided by 20, which will give us 7. So the mean mark is 7, the average mark was 7. Okay, let's go to the next questions.